2020 Chevy High Country, 6.2 liter, beautiful. Oh, I love this color too. Truck, as you guys can see, High Country. We got something special done on this one. Got factory converters there and there. Then no dreaded third cat, as you guys can see, thank God. Then what we did is put a Magnaflow part number 12649, 3-inch in, 3-inch out, 24 inches long. He wanted it deep. He didn't want a lot of raspiness. We said we can hook you up, and so we did. Still got factory resonators on it. It comes factory dualed from the factory. Factory dualed from the factory. That's funny. Out the back, into some factory tips built into the bumper there and there. There's the gigantic muffler that was on it, as you guys can see, and it comes with that valve. Anytime you have the muffler shop cut it off, make sure they cut off this valve or it will rattle. So make sure you cut that on both sides. There it is after. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Exactly what you wanted? All right. This is just deep, no raspiness, you know? Give it gas a little bit higher. Again. Same style muffler that's going on yours. Do you like that? Magnaflow. There's sound decibels. Rev it higher to 4,000. Oh, it's got the red limiter on it, don't it? Yeah. So it's about 95. Go ahead and back it out. Not bad. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. .2 liter beast.